Good morning, boys and girls from 4th of primary, and welcome to a new video. Today, we're going to continue learning Unit 8, Extreme Experiences. Okay, the other day, we saw how to use must and mustn't. So today, we're going to continue with should. You probably already know about should, but should is used to give or ask for advice. Okay, so should is for advice, and we just have to include should in a sentence. For example, you should exercise every day, or people should eat healthy food. Very easy, right? Let's see the negative form now. The negative form is the same as should, but with shouldn't. So we have to use shouldn't. For example, Tirsa shouldn't eat unhealthy food, or you shouldn't smoke when you grow up. Okay, these are just advices. They can happen or not. You can take them or not. It's not an obligation or prohibition like must and mustn't. It's just an advice, un consejo. Okay, so let's see now the interrogative form. We can use it to ask for advice. So, for example, my boss fired me. What should I do? Okay, you should look for a new job. Okay, we can ask and give advice with should. This is very easy, right? Okay, let's see now what you have to do for this part of the unit. First, watch this video until you understand how to use should. Then you can have a look at this other video where you have more examples with should. Then you have to go to the student's book and make the activity 2 from page 96 and the activity 1 from page 97. And finally, the activity books, pages 89 and 90. Easy, right? Let's see the activities one by one now. First, on page 96, the activity 2, first I want you to read the rest of the page and do the activity 1 orally. So here you have to read this text and then complete these sentences orally. So for example, for number 1, you should take a torch to use at night. That would be the number 1. So you do the same for number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is only orally, okay? Because later, in activity number 2, you have to create advices for these objects, okay? Is the same from as activity 1, but using different objects. For example, for sunscreen, I don't know, um, you should use sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun. Okay, that would be one example. So you do the same for compass, penknife, water bottle, and flip-flops. Then you can go to the activity book. Here, number 1 is very easy. You just have to complete with the vocabulary words and then match it to the pictures. And for number 2, you have to give advice with should or shouldn't for the different situations. Finally, in number 3, you have to add 3 more advices. Okay, so easy. Then, student's book, page 97, you have to read the situations and write advices. Okay, you don't need to match it to the picture. You just have to read and give advices. For example, number 1, imagine I'm in the woods and I meet an angry bear. Wow, what should I do? So you should just write an advice. You do it for number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And finally, the activity book, page 90. Yes. Number 1, you just have to order the questions. Okay, easy. And number 2, write should and shouldn't and match it because they are the answers for the questions from activity 1. And finally, read the situations and write advices for that you will give to these people. Okay, so this is everything from today's videos, just from today's work. Just should and shouldn't. Remember, last week we saw must and mustn't, and this week should and shouldn't. So easy, a piece of cake. So I say goodbye with this. You are doing an amazing job and we are so proud of you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hugs and kisses.